club's been going for over 100 years. In fact, we went through the records and I think our first team started in 1907, which is magnificent. The game of baseball is part of Grangetown's life. Families play, you know, that we've had people play for our club, and it goes right down the line, you know, aunties, uncles, next door neighbours. The community thing is absolutely massive within Grangetown. You know, I suppose we're the same as everybody else. We feel as if communities weren't what they were, but our baseball community in Grangetown, we believe, is keeping us together as a community.
Sharp, well done, well done.
Started playing for him when I was 11, and I'm 50 now. I mean, you can play at any age, really, and it's just a nice feeling. You all come over the park and play. You haven't seen each other all winter. The local people come over and watch us, so it's a nice atmosphere, you know.
It's a bit of a throwback, if you like, to sport in the 60s and 70s, where everybody in every village in Wales had their own little team. Well, we've sort of carried it on down in Grangetown, and you could see there's a couple of our ladies' team here tonight have brought their babies. While they're playing, somebody will look after their baby in the pram. It's very, very competitive. The ferocity of the bowling and the batting has surprised a lot of people. A lot of people may think it was the old church rounders, but it's nowhere near like that.
Well, we did well last year. I mean, from not having a side, we went up from the division up to the Premier Division, and so yeah, it's nice. It's not played in schools anymore, which is unfortunate in Cardiff, but you know, that's why it's great that we've still got a side, you know, because lots of teams are disbanded. So
the future for our club is to make sure we keep it going and make sure we keep enjoying it.